Ampleforth?
Oh, it's really cool. Yes, my favorite part is to meet lots of people.
Yes.
Yes.
And you met people from different countries?
Yes, Mexico, Venezuela, Italy, and the teachers are from Ireland and England.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes,
Yeah.
very much.
Good. You share a bedroom with
Oh,
other
no.
girls?
No, it's a bedroom for
You're
person.
yourself?
Yes.
Right. Is it comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable. It has a bathroom, private.
Private bathroom for
Yeah.
yourself? That's nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, good. When you go back to Saudi Arabia and you meet your friends at school,
Yeah,
will you recommend this school to them?
of course.
Yes.
It's English is good.
Yes. And you've liked it here?
Yeah.
Good. Excellent.
When I came here, I talked to my father. I wanted to stay here for 2 weeks. Then I changed my mind. I wanted 3 weeks. It's better.
3 weeks?
Yeah.
Excellent. Good. Hamid, thank you very much indeed. That was very nice. That's good.
I really like England. It's really beautiful. It's organized. The people here they are always happy. They always enjoy the moment. And
Good.
yes,
Have you met people from other countries here?
yes,
And do you and call them your friends?
yes. A little boy from Saudi Arabia. He's my little friend. He teaches me Arabic.
Oh, good. When you go back to Venezuela and you return to your family and friends in Venezuela, when you tell them about this school, what will you say? Will you say it's good?
Yes, very, very good. I like the teachers. They are really intelligent. They're awesome. They're really friendly.
What about Ampleforth College?
It's really beautiful. I like the architecture. It's different and in some ways perfect.
Yeah. Thank you very much.